Hello and welcome to Health and Technology TV. Today's lecture is focused on one of the most essential systems in the human body, the muscular system. We'll break it down into clear parts, explore the types of muscle tissue, understand how muscles function, and see why this system matters to your everyday life. Let's begin. The muscular system is responsible for movement, posture, and internal processes like digestion and circulation. It includes over 600 individual muscles, making it one of the most extensive systems in the human body. There are three main types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle. These are voluntary striated muscles attached to bones and controlled consciously. They allow body movement. Cardiac muscle, found only in the heart. This muscle is involuntary, striated, and responsible for pumping blood. Smooth muscle, non-striated, involuntary muscles found in the walls of organs such as the intestines and blood vessels. Each muscle is made of bundles of muscle fibers, which in turn are composed of myofibrils containing actin and myosin, proteins responsible for muscle contraction. So, how do muscles contract? The process begins with a signal from the nervous system. A motor neuron sends a message to the muscle via a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. This causes calcium ions to be released, triggering the sliding of actin and myosin filaments, resulting in contraction. Muscles always work in pairs. When one contracts, the other relaxes. For example, the biceps and triceps work together to move your arm. Let's take a closer look at energy. Muscles need ATP to contract. They get energy from glucose through aerobic respiration or from anaerobic processes when oxygen is limited. This can lead to lactic acid buildup, which causes muscle fatigue. Maintaining muscle health is important for mobility, stability, and metabolism. This includes regular exercise, proper hydration, a balanced diet with sufficient protein, and rest for recovery. As we age, muscle mass can decrease, a condition called sarcopenia. Strength training and activity can slow this process and improve quality of life. Now, let's recap. Muscular system includes skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. Muscle contraction involves nerves, calcium, and ATP. Muscles work in pairs and need regular activity to stay strong. Like this video if you found this lecture helpful. Comment your favorite fact or question about muscles below. Share this with a fellow student or teacher. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Technology TV for more clear, science-based lectures every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.